Now more than ever, it is important to put well-being at the forefront of your business strategy. Working can sometimes have a negative effect on someone's mental health, but it can also have a very positive one as well. A supportive, inclusive workplace can help to prevent new mental health problems and support people struggling with their mental health to stay at work and thrive. Wellness is the pursuit of continued growth and balance in the 7 dimensions of wellness. Many people think about wellness in terms of physical health only. The word invokes thoughts of nutrition, exercise, weight management, blood pressure, etc. Wellness, however, is much more than physical health. Wellness is a full integration of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. It is a complex interaction that leads to quality of life. Wellness is commonly viewed as having 7 dimensions. Each dimension contributes to our own sense of wellness or quality of life, and each affects and overlaps the others. At times one may be more prominent than others, but neglect of any one dimension for any length of time has adverse effects on overall health. The 7 pillars of employee well-being are as follows. Health. Health checks, and even well-being benefits are all very good ways for you to support the physical and mental health of your team. Stress management should also be part of your health program, as it helps your team to deal with whatever work-related conflicts they may have to deal with, while teaching them valuable ways to cope with the pressure they are under. Good work. If you want your team to do good work, then you have to facilitate this. Make sure that their working area is ergonomic and free from distractions, while also providing a strong level of autonomy. Make sure that your team are not working more hours than they should be either, by ensuring that responsibilities are distributed evenly. Values or principles. Inclusion is so important in the workplace. Sharing the organization's values can increase commitment and performance, as employees feel they are making a positive contribution. You have a responsibility to make sure that everyone is aware of their role, that they are trained to complete their duties, and that they also have a solid understanding of your general mission or objective. Collective or social. Communication should be your primary focus as much as possible. Conflicts do happen in the workplace, but if they can be resolved, and if you can foster a healthy team working environment, then this will help your team to function at a higher level of productivity. Personal growth. Your company may be growing, and this is great, but at the end of the day, you have to make sure that your team are growing with it. If your team members are yet to see a promotion on the horizon, or if they can't see themselves moving up the ladder, then this will have a profound impact on their mental health. Good lifestyle choices. Encourage your team to be as healthy and as active as possible. Help them by encouraging them to sign up to your company's gym membership program, or even start a commercial sports team. By doing this, you can be sure to help them adopt a healthier lifestyle, which will go on to benefit them at work. Financial well-being. Ensuring that your employees are paid fairly and that they are managing their money well is important. Offer support when it comes to putting away for retirement, and work with your team if you suspect that certain members are experiencing financial difficulty.